What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. As you can see guys, Bitcoin, let's talk about Bitcoin and also the other altcoins. Yesterday we had a very good day, we had a green day, but today we are not having that good day. It's not that bad as well, not a bloody day, but we are seeing some corrections. But if you watched my live stream that I did yesterday, I was telling you guys that this would be pretty normal. I even mentioned that facing this resistance up here, we could retrace and see the corrections all the way down to the level of this support, and it would be pretty normal to the price. And as you can see, we are being right now supported and rejected by this level 26,200, which was the previous resistance that we were having. I even mentioned that we could come all the way down, guys, back to the level of this support right here, this previous resistance where we had this massive volume traded. But so far we didn't come all the way down to this level, and 26,200 is been a great level of support. Don't forget, of course, guys, to sign up to Bybit. This platform right here is my favorite exchange, the one that I use the most. Very user-friendly, very reliable. I have never had a problem with this exchange before. Very simple to use. So if you want to sign up to Bybit, guys, you can click the link on the description of my video right here. If you use this link right here, guys, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus. But if you don't like the idea of KYC, then I would recommend you to use my second link, because you need no KYC here on Bitflex. And also on Bitflex, you can earn $10 if you deposit 100 and trade with this money. Let's see what is going on the smaller time frames right here. 15 minutes. We have very similar scenario, guys. If you pay attention to this price action right here, it is very similar to this one, retesting a level of resistance, making 3 higher highs with huge wicks to the upside and bearish divergence together. So if you watched the video that I was talking about that one, you could have used at this time right here and you would have been profitable. 1, 2, 3 times huge wick to the downside, inverted hammer after 2 fake outs with bearish divergence, guys. Definitely a very good spot to get into a short position until the level that we were expecting the price to retrace, exactly as happened right here. Boom. We could also have understood this pattern, guys, as a bump and run pattern like this. Boom, 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 boom. And at this point right here, we broke it to the downside. The target for the bump and run is the height of the pattern. So project this to the moment of the breakout. Boom, there you go. The perfect target where the price came to. Right here. And if you haven't seen both of these patterns, guys, you could of course understand that we broke this trend line that we were having here that was acting as a support for us. So of course after this, a retraction, a correction would be pretty much expected, especially coming out from a rejection of the previous resistance. On Solana we are having a similar scenario as well. We have this level of resistance up here that we were rejected 1, 2, 3 times, as you can see, and we broke above the level. Let's come to the 15-minute chart, and we broke above the level of this ascending support line right here. By the way, guys, I opened a trade right here. I am not going to talk anything about this trade that I did today, because I made another video to you explaining everything about this trade, showing to you all the steps until the moment that the market hit my take profit. It was a very good trade and I made $500, guys. Yes, if you want to see this trade, make sure to hit the bell button right now. Then as soon as I upload the video, you're going to get notified. Anyways, talking about the present moment, guys, we were having here formation of a pattern. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to trade this pattern because I was recording this video and I missed the entry point. But as you can see, we are coming from a downtrend, as you know already, and we started consolidating here, respecting this support line and also respecting this resistance line. This is a pattern, guys, and it is called the broadening rising wedge. Bearish pattern, especially when we broke this to the downside. As I said already, unfortunately, I lost the entry because I was recording this video. That hurts a lot because I would have made some money. I would be having some good profits right now, but as I told you, it is what it is. I have made some money already on the market, $500, can't complain at all. But anyways, let me explain this pattern right here, guys. And as you can see, the target of this was not hit yet, and the target of this is all the way down to the beginning of the movement, to the beginning of the pattern right here. In this case, at 18.73. Or you can also measure this like this, the height of it projected from the moment of the breakout. You can see that it brings us back exactly to 18.73. It makes no sense to enter this short position right now, guys. Absolutely no sense. But if we are going to see some reaction here from the bulls, we are not going to see this, right? Yeah, we are going to just hit it already. And it is what it is. Yeah, as you can see, target hit. I would have put here some very juicy money on my pocket. As I was saying, guys, a pretty easy trade to be doing, guys. Trading is not hard as you think. We are having bearish momentum, bearish price action, forming a bearish pattern, breaking the bearish pattern to the downside, guys. Very easy short position to open, you know what I mean? The same thing happened here. Same story, rejection, bearish momentum, bearish price action. We are consolidating, going to the upside, forming a flag. What happens when we break the support from the flag? We continue going down. And that's already a spoiler about the trade that I did. Yes, this opportunity here from the bear flag I didn't miss, but unfortunately I missed this one right here. No problems, tomorrow is another day with another opportunities. By the way, guys, as you can see, trading is very simple. It is not that hard as you might think. And if you are a beginner here, guys, and you don't know how to properly trade, I would definitely tell you to start learning patterns. This type of patterns, like the bear flag, the bull flag, the rising wedge, the falling wedge, the broadening wedge, all this type of patterns. And by saying this, guys, I also tell you that I am going to bring new videos teaching you about this type of patterns, so you can start learning from the beginning, because probably you are a beginner right there that wants also to start making your own trades, being profitable, making your own money, but you don't know how. So my best advice to you would be start learning which type of patterns we have. And that's why I'm going to be teaching you here from the beginning, from the zero, because my intention here with this channel, doing these videos here, is just to spread education, guys. The same thing that I am doing for myself with these trades, being profitable, gaining some money, I want you to start doing as well to yourself. So if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. If you're a subscriber, hit the bell, guys, so you don't miss the next videos. And by saying that, guys, thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!